wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, today we are going to learn about animals. Noah and Olivia have a special lesson planned for us, so let's check in with them.
We're playing with Play-Doh!
Woo!
Shape creations!
Shape creations!
We're doing all different kinds of shapes. All of them that came in this nice box.
Yeah, there's so many in there. Look, guys.
Whoa.
You hear that? That's all of them. Wow. Yeah, it's probably about 20.
20?
Yeah.
I don't even know if I can count up to 20.
I don't know either. We'll figure it out today, maybe, huh?
I wonder what are all in there.
Should we? I think I see maybe an animal.
I see a dolphin.
Oh, a dolphin?
I want to do a dolphin. I want to do a dolphin with turquoise Play-Doh. You see our Play-Doh set? So much Play-Doh, and we even have black.
Yeah, we have so many colors. Ooh, black would be good for a dolphin.
No, but I want to do turquoise and then maybe the eyes on white. Mm-hmm. Black eyes on white.
That sounds good. Yeah. I think I want to make maybe a giraffe or a zebra or an elephant. I hope they have one of those.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Okay.
So should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready?
Pop!
Yay!
Okay, I'm putting that to the side. Okay. And then, should we both dump it at the same time?
Yeah. Let's dump it. Woo! Woo! So many!
Okay, I'm putting this to the side too.
Okay. So what do we have?
What do we have?
Let's see.
This is a pear.
And this.
I have a pear.
This is bananas. I have bananas.
This is...
Oh, I know.
This is a cat.
Yeah, that's a kitty cat.
Oh, we shouldn't show this to Fluffy because then he thinks it's a cat.
Oh, and then he'll chase it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I want to see this one. This is... Oh! It's a Pooh Bear. That one's a teddy bear.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's
cool.
neat.
This is a cow.
Oh, a cow.
That's pretty cool.
A cow's really neat. And this is a fish. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Oh, fish.
It makes bubbles. Yeah.
Look, here's your giraffe.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want me to give that to you?
Yeah, can I? Thank you.
You wanted to do a giraffe.
Yeah. I really want to do a giraffe. Look how tall they are.
Yeah.
Giraffes are so cool.
Oh, look at this. My heart.
Oh.
Boom, 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 boom. My heart beats for you, kids.
He loves you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. That's cute. Yeah. My heart too. Boom, boom. That's fun.
And then, I had this for breakfast this morning.
Oh, what was it?
Strawberries.
Strawberries, yum. And then, this is a thing that you can push the Play-Doh through. I don't know what shape it'll do yet. Ooh, what's
this
that?
is a dog. I'm going to make this for Fluffy.
That's very, very cool. And then, let's see. Oh, this one's a neat one. Look. It's an alligator. Chomp, 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 chomp. Yeah, that's neat.
That's pretty cool.
And
here's a circle.
Did you find it?
Well, here's a circle.
Ooh, very nice circle.
Here's the dolphin.
Oh, yay.
Yay,
a dolphin. And that's good because you want to do that. Oh, and you want to make it turquoise. And look, it's kind of in like a blue turquoise color.
Yeah, that's the one I want to do. And then maybe the dolphin can jump through the ring that I'll make.
Ooh,
that would be cool, wouldn't it?
Then it'll be a trick dolphin.
Yeah.
And this one is, what is this one?
That one looks like a...
Is it a whale?
Oh, no, I know what it is.
Oh, what is it?
It's a mouse.
Oh, a mouse. Oh, that's cute. And then it can run away from the kitty.
Yeah, that would be funny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cool.
So, kids, do you also have a shape creation set with Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Get it out, and then maybe you can do the same thing that we do, too.
Yeah, I'm really excited to try this out.
Yep, me too. So, should we get started?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay.
All right.
And we'll share colors.
Oh, yeah, we'll share all the colors because
Okay, that sounds
yeah, we
good.
both have good colors on our
Okay,
sides.
so let's get started.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay. So, here are all of the shapes we created.
Yeah, look at how neat they are.
I really like your bear.
Aw, thank you.
Especially because he smiles. He has a huge smile.
Yeah, he's very, very happy.
Yep. I made something for you.
You made something for me?
Yeah, while you were not looking.
Oh, what did you make for me?
I made a pink heart for you.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, look at that, guys. Oh.
Yeah, because you love pink, and since I made a heart for the kids, I thought I'd make one for you too.
Oh, I love it, Noah. I wish I made you a heart.
That's okay.
Oh.
Next time.
Next time I'll make you a heart or maybe a sun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Yay.
Well, kids, I think that's it for today's show.
Yep.
I hope we'll see you again next time.
Yeah, I hope that you guys make lots of really cool shapes and different animals and let us know if you do.
And remember, playing with Play-Doh is always fun.
Yeah, it's so much fun. It's a really, really good time.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can do so many things with it.
Play.
Dough.
Play.
Dough.
Play.
Dough.
Okay, that's it.
Yay!
We'll see you next time.
I have to set that down. Okay, bye, kids.
Bye, kids. Bye.
Thank you. Aw. Thank you, Noah. That's a really, really nice heart.
See, I can be nice too.
Yes, you can. Love you.
I love you too.
Okay. All right, you want to go play?
Yeah, let's play.
Okay, let's play.
Wow, kids, we certainly learned a lot about animals. What's your favorite animal? Send us a picture via Instagram or Facebook, or even by mail. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.